Hi everyone, so I did a little bit of shopping this month and most of the stuff that I'm going to show you today is an online purchase. So let's start with the Face Shop sheet masks. So it was a launch, what do you call it? It was a launch offer on Nykaa. Face Shop was offering 5+5, like you buy 5 and you get 5 free. So I already have Face Shop's the regular sheet masks and I really wanted to try the solution ones. Since these are priced at like 150 rupees each, I thought this is the right time to grab couple of these. So I bought 5 and got 5 of them for free. I haven't tried any of these yet. I was testing out the Body Shop recipe of nature masks and I'm going to do a video on them very soon because I'm in love with those masks. So I'm going to try out these soon and will let you guys know my thoughts. I might do a comparison between this one Innisfree and the Innisfree capsule recipe and how these are different from each other and how can you use them. So just keep a lookout for that video. I'm going to do that video very soon. So these are priced at 150 rupees each. I'm not sure if the offer is still there, but you can buy these from Nykaa.com. These are one-time use masks. These are sheet masks. And the solution masks are like they target specific skin issue. For example, this is a radiance face mask. So if your skin is dull, then you can probably use this one and it will add radiance. So I would like to use these before reviewing them. If you want me to review sheet masks from Innisfree and the Face Shop, let me know because these are the two major brands that are available in India and you can buy them online. So just let me know if you want me to do a review on these sheet masks. Then I spotted Note Cosmetics in Archie's store at Vasant Vihar, the Priya complex, and I thought of picking something, but unfortunately I really wanted to buy foundation from them, but whatever shades they had were not of my skin tone, so I ended up picking only this BB lip corrector. Sorry, this is in shade number 3. I think this is the darkest shade they have. Unfortunately, this is not the darkest shade. For me, this is still very light. I think it reminded me of the Clarins Lip Perfector. So this is a lip balm that has collagens, which means once you apply it on, it will kind of smoothen your lip lines, wrinkles, and it will moisturize your lips as well. I have been using it for a couple of days now and I kind of like it. This has a sticky thick texture which is very moisturizing and it stays on for a really long time. The tint is like almost negligible, you cannot even see the tint, so which is a bummer because they should have had launched at least a darker shade for Indian complexion, because I don't think that the brand actually caters to darker complexions, because even their foundations, they had a lot of shades in foundation but none of them matched me. I don't know, as you go darker in the foundation, the shade becomes kind of grayish, which is really weird. Yeah, that was one of the reasons why I did not pick any foundation from them. Then I picked a couple of products from Color Essence. I really want to do a one brand kind of a video on Color Essence. I did not pick a lot of stuff, but I thought of picking enough stuff to do FOTD, like face of the day. So the first product is I Spy HD. This is I Spy HD mascara from Color Essence. This is for rupees 350. Then the next product is Supreme eyeliner. This is for 150. Then I picked the HD face powder from Color Essence. This is the darkest shade. I guess this is in shade dusky shade. Yeah, this is for 350. The packaging is very similar to the L'Oreal L'Oreal True Match powder. Yeah. Please excuse the lighting because I don't know, the weather is really weird, so it becomes bright and then it becomes gloomy. So then I picked Color Essence Intense Long Wear lipstick. This is in shade Modern Love and it's a very pretty purple. And HD foundation, I picked it in shade number 5 and I think it's a good match. It's going to be a really good match for me. The last product from Color Essence is this blush, and I just picked it randomly and I'm very happy because this color will go really well with that lipstick. This is Satin Smooth Highlighter Blush number SH4. Then Lakme has launched a blue mascara. This is Iconic Blue. This product was sent to me by the brand. I haven't used it yet. I will use it in one of my videos soon and we'll test it out together. This is for rupees 350. And the other day I picked a yellow corrector from LA Girl Pro. I thought this will be a really good product to brighten up the under eye area because I kind of face the dullness because I do not use a full coverage concealer all the time. So I thought this will be a really good product to put over the concealer or corrector. So I will again use this in one of my videos. Let me know if you want me to do a video on the LA Girl Pro concealers I have. I believe 3 shades: pure beige, medium honey, pure beige, warm honey, then I have this yellow, and I have peach also. I would like to include it in all the 4 in any of the videos. Just let me know if you want me to do a video on the concealers only. I'll definitely do that. I picked Fit Me Shine Free Plus Balance Foundation from Maybelline. This is meant for combination skin, but I picked it anyway. I have mine is like medium to darker complexion, and my skin is dry, but I picked it because when I swatched it in the store, it looked like a light to medium coverage product, very light and sheer coverage product. So I thought it will be good for summers. It has SPF, I guess it has SPF 20 or something, and I picked it in shade Natural Beige because the shade next to it, like the darkest shade, is Toffee, and it was very dark for me. So I have picked Natural Beige. I think it's going to be tad light, but I'll balance it out with a bronzer. And I saw these really beautiful lip products from Maybelline. These look like gradient. This one is an orange, this is in pink, and these are Lip Flush Bitten Lip. And the amazing thing about these, I haven't opened the packaging yet, but I swatched them in store, and these are priced at rupees. Okay, price is not mentioned here. I'll mention the prices in the info bar. So I guess this was like for somewhere around 400 or 450. So the packaging is really pretty. Can you see? Packaging is very pretty. And there are 3 colors in one bullet. See? So when you swatch and you blend, you get 3 colors. There are 2 dark colors and one is like a shimmery color, so you get a nice mix of all the 3 on. So I have just toned down the ISO because I think the weather is becoming quite sunny. So this is the next one, and this is this. I'll just show you the pink one as well. This is the pink one. I'm very excited to give these a try, and I would love to do a first impression. So I might do a first impressions using both the products from Maybelline, this one and the Fit Me stick. So I might do a separate video using these 2. Let me know if you have any inputs or any suggestions. And I love neutral nail paints, and I picked these 3 from Color Show. It's Nude Skin. I thought this will be a really beautiful shade for everyday. It has metallic finish. It is Cinderella pink, and I sometimes love applying metallic nail paints. This will look really pretty. And the last one is Silk Stockings. My nails are bare because I've just removed the nail polish, so this will look really pretty. Silk Stockings. This one is Cinderella pink, this is Nude Skin, and this is Silk Stockings. So I think these will be really beautiful, and I like the formula. And I like the formula of Color Show nail paints because they stay on for a really long time and they're quite affordable. So I generally buy them and use them till I run out of the product. Something I'm really excited about. I picked the Taraji P. Henson, I hope that's how you pronounce the name, Viva Glam lipsticks and lip gloss set from MAC. I really wanted to buy this thing, but what happens here in Delhi, the moment a product launches, especially a limited edition collection, everything goes out of stock the same day, which is so weird, but it happens all the time. So most of the times I miss out on limited edition products because of the same reason. So this time, since Nykaa stocks MAC now, I picked everything from Nykaa. Can you see the packaging? This is the lipstick packaging, and this is the shade. I was looking for comparisons online, and some people have said that this is like very close to a Girl About Town. I had that shade. It's a very bright fuchsia pink. It looks very beautiful. The only difference between these 2 according to that particular comparison post was the finish. This is matte and Girl About Town is amplified cream finish. Then I picked the lip gloss as well. I'm not a lip gloss person. I hardly wear lip glosses, but I really wanted to pick this one because I thought the color is right up my alley, and I will be wearing this shade a lot. This is a beautiful fuchsia pink and it has flecks of purple glitter there, and this is very beautiful. So that was all. That was everything I picked this month. Not this month. This is March already, like last month, and I'm quite excited to give these videos a try. Just let me know. I have a couple of videos in my mind, especially the sheet mask review and application and my thoughts. Then the Color Essence One Brand makeup look, and then I have Maybelline First Impressions. Yeah, everything. So just let me know in which video would you like to see first, and I will do that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.